Want to know the perfect way to get your PowerPoint presentation audience involved? A fun, interactive quiz. After all, the best slide decks are meant to be engaging. You don't want to simply talk at your audience. You need to talk with them. An interactive quiz is a great way to do it. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a basic interactive quiz in PowerPoint quickly. The best place to start is with an interactive premium template from Envato Elements. Elements is the ultimate resource for creatives with an offer that you just can't afford to miss out on. For a flat monthly rate, you have unlimited downloads of interactive PowerPoint templates. That's right, you can try as many as you want. Plus, you have other assets like stock photos, music, and more. You can use all of those in your presentations too. As you can see, Elements has thousands of stunning options that you can use to build an interactive PowerPoint quiz. For this example, we'll be using the Jeopardy PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. Browsing the template here, you can see that it's already designed in a popular game show format. I'll go ahead and download it. Jumping over to PowerPoint, you can see the pre-built slide layouts appear over on the sidebar. Now, the best thing about premium PowerPoint templates is their flexibility. You benefit from professional, studio quality designs, but you keep all of the creative control that you could ever want. It's truly a win-win for PowerPoint users of every skill level. The first thing to do here is change out some of the colors on the title slide. To do that, go ahead and click on one of the shapes as you're seeing me do here. Notice now that up here on the ribbon, you have a new option. It's called the Shape Format tab. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see an array of options here, and the one you want is the Shape Fill drop-down menu over on the left. Click on it and you'll see a color chooser. Explore your color options like so, and click on one of the thumbnails to apply your favorite color to the shape on your slide. Flashing forward here, I've made a few additional color changes. This is a great way to add your own custom style to your interactive quiz PowerPoint. Color matching is also helpful if you want to use your very own brand colors, for example. Now it's time to add custom text. Jumping to slide 3 here, you'll see these default placeholder text elements in place. Styled as a Jeopardy game, this one has multiple questions and answers spanning a series of categories. Of course, thanks to templates, you can customize these to your exact needs and favorite topics. To add a custom question on this slide, start clicking into the placeholder text box until all of the contents are selected. Then, simply start typing on your keyboard. Input your own custom question and you're all set. Don't forget, you can also apply a series of text effects up here on PowerPoint's ribbon. For example, you can make the text bold as you're seeing me do here. This is another great opportunity to revisit the powerful Envato Elements offer. As a subscriber, you also have unlimited access to a library of thousands of custom fonts. These are the perfect way to elevate your quiz PowerPoint style to the next level. Download your favorites, install them on your computer with a few clicks, and start using them in all of your PowerPoint quizzes. It's really that easy. From here, you're repeating the same steps, replacing default text with words of your own, and mixing up the color styles and layouts wherever you want. Flashing forward again, let's preview the finished PowerPoint quiz. As you can see, this is a fun and interactive way to get your audience engaged with you. So, what are you waiting for? Head for Envato Elements now and find your new favorite PowerPoint quiz template. Download it, customize it, and get ready to wow your audience. You'll never be called a boring presenter with fun slides like these. Building an interactive quiz in PowerPoint is as easy as filling in the blanks. Simply swap out custom text, change up the color palette, and you're all set. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you're going to find countless tutorial videos like this, along with content roundups, courses, and so much more. It's the best place online for creative inspiration. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.